everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down maths topics the easy way. In this video, we'll practice solving triangle problems using the sine rule. We'll go step by step through two exam-style questions. Our first question asks us to find the length of side x. We know two angles, 38 degrees and 100 degrees, and the length of one of the sides opposite one of the angles. Our task is to find the length of the second side labelled x. We can do this by applying the sine rule. A divided by sine of A is equal to B divided by sine of B. In this rule, the lowercase letters represent the sides of the triangle, and the capital letter represents the angle opposite that side. It's often useful to label this on the diagram. So we can label the angle marked 38 degrees as capital A, the side opposite it as lowercase a, the angle marked 100 degrees as capital B, and the side opposite it as lowercase b. To calculate the length of x, we will substitute the values we know. This gives us x divided by sine of 38 is equal to 13 divided by sine of 100. Rearranging gives us that x is equal to 13 times sine of 38 divided by sine of 100. To rearrange, you simply multiply both sides by the denominator underneath x. Plugging this into a calculator gives us that x is approximately 8.1 centimetres. Now, this next question asks us to find the angle x in the triangle, rather than an unknown side. We will use the sine rule again, but this time with the angle on top of the fraction, which we can obtain by rearranging the previous equation. We get sine capital A divided by lowercase a is sine capital B divided by lowercase b. Again, it's useful to label the diagram so you know what values to plug into which part of the equation. So, we can label the x as capital A, the side opposite it as lowercase a, the angle 95 degrees as capital B, and the side opposite it as lowercase b. Substituting the values we know, we get sine x divided by 5.4 is equal to sine of 95 divided by 6.7. Rearranging to get sine x on its own, we get sine x is equal to 5.4 times sine 95 divided by 6.7. This gives that sine x is approximately equal to 0.806. And you can get this by plugging the numbers into a calculator. To get our final answer of x, we use the inverse sine function, or sine to the minus 1. This gives us x is equal to sine inverse of 0.806, which is approximately 53.4 degrees. And there we have it. We've just solved two exam-style questions involving the sine rule. So remember, use the sine rule when you have a pair of angles and opposite sides. Rearrange carefully depending on whether you want the side or an angle, and always check your calculator is set to degrees to avoid calculation error. If this helped you feel more confident about the sine rule, hit like, subscribe for more walkthroughs, and drop a comment below if there's a topic you'd like for me to cover next. You've got this. See you in the next video.